Hey everybody, David Cook, D'Franco Painting Wallpaper, and yes, 3 vans strong today as we are back in the customer here in Barrington, Illinois, on a customer that we've painted for, we've wallpapered, we painted a condo that they own for one of their kids. We've restained all the brand new windows they had put in, and then we did some exterior trim touch up for them. And now we're back again and we're doing some wallpaper installation on the ceiling. So let's go let's go inside and take a peek at Chad and Anthony at the wallpaper they're putting up, and we'll see. I love repeat customers, and we'll take a peek and show you what we're doing. All right, so here's the paper that they are hanging. Complimentary timeless wall coverings, equestrian plaid green. There's the SKU number, and this is one's already cut, so I gotta make sure I put it back. So they are doing the ceiling in here. He is pasting the ceiling now. If I take my time, maybe I would catch him installing a piece. Oh, there goes the sunglasses. So we're using Dynamite 234 adhesive. And those pieces they already put up on there already. It's kind of funny. So I take it this stuff is a paste the wall application.
Yes,
nice.
The nicest stuff around.
We've been working on a couple jobs. We have to paste the paper, and so Anthony was just kind of telling us the story we just did on a Chicago job he was working on yesterday, where he had to book the paper, and when we booked the paper, the 10 minutes or 2 minutes it was supposed to be booked ended up to be 10 minutes, and the 10 minutes ended up to be 20 minutes, and it still ended up to not being enough, where they had to still let it sit and relax a little bit longer. So it's been fun. So today is a welcome change of pace of just pasting the ceiling or pasting the wall or surface that's going to, and then you can just basically unroll to the ceiling. It's still a 2-man operation. In theory, you could do it with 1, but I would not recommend it. I think Chad did that once.
Yeah, it's not fun.
Not fun. Yeah, if you have the rolling scaffolding, it helps a little bit, but overall, it's definitely not a fun endeavor to do this by yourself. So we're gonna watch the men in action as they two-handed. So basically they're just gonna walk this paper until you get to the end and keep going. They got like 3 more panels to go. All right, so we're going on the next job. These guys are definitely well suited to get this done. If you got questions on hanging wallpaper, painting, cat refinishing, let us know. We'll have to see how we can help you love the space you're in with wallpaper installations, painting, whatever. Give us a call. You guys have a great day and God bless.